quickly what's new because I've been in a while. What's new? The bike. It's pretty much all there's a three-wheeler and Honda parts. There's not much else. The garage move's been permanently put on hold due to life's technicalities. I will probably end up building a building over there because it's just easier. So with that said, there's no rush to the shop move, so I'm just gonna like try to clean up a little bit. No, I don't really want to clean up because I don't want to put all this shit. I might have more room eventually because somebody wants to buy my mule. So if anybody wants to buy a 1966 M274 military mule, it's in mint condition. It's that thing right sticking out right over here. See a little foot basket and the steering wheel right here? That's part of the mule. Google it, you'll figure out what it is. I have one. 10 G's, you can have it. Other than that, putting this hunk of shit back together, which I never seem to show you when I make these videos, but watch my videos, you'll see it. I got a couple of Honda parts videos, show you some stuff I got for it. Mostly air filters and cables for now. I'm trying to get this one at least somewhat decently roadworthy where I have fenders on it. So I did pick up some new fenders for it. I'm going to show you in another video and some other stuff. I picked up a few Harbor Freight things. What else did I get at Harbor Freight? Got a couple of odd things, like a little, green dish to put like bolts in. I gave my other one away to my mother-in-law because she needed a thing for sewing needles. So I at the time I didn't use it, so no big deal. Plus it's bright and green. I could find where I put all the bolts. All those silvery color stuff just blends in with the scene. So with that said, I'm gonna try to make this the world's shortest what's new video, because other than that, and the weather has been killer here. Like I've been trying to repaint. I'll show you again. I put another coat on this one and another coat on this one. I got to give this a little sanding because little thing. This one's coming out smooth. I gave it a little 200 120 grit sanding, get the little bubbles off there. That one's got about 4 coats and this one's got 2 coats. I've been looking for some kind of UV paint coating on it, but I don't know. So, and then next week, as soon as I get a free moment, I gotta basically take the top plate and one of the racks and something else, the headlight mount, and I gotta get them all sandblasted because I want to get ready. I want to have all the pieces ready so I can just change the whole front end at once. So I don't really care if the bottom's like perfect, like the front shocks, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna redo one shock, pull it off, change it, redo the shock, put on, change it. The back rack I have in there right now is temporarily okay. The one that came off it is in pretty good shape, but I'm gonna send it out to get blasted. But as usual, there's this bike is what 37 years old. The other one's 39. Yeah, this one's 37 years old, and there's as usual stuck bolts. So I bought what do you call it? The stuff to not see. I don't know if I did a video, but I bought some anti-seize, put on the bolts so I don't seize all the bike in. With that said, what am I, 2 minutes into this video? 3 minutes 35 seconds, so I'll let the whole thing bounce. Anyway, if you like my videos, watch. I'm gonna end it here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me if you hate the video. Tell me if you love the video. Like I said, my videos ain't perfect. I do this for fun, and if you don't like it, well, each to his own. I'm not gonna get mad. I don't like some videos. Some videos I like the content. I just don't like the video. It depends on what you like. And I appreciate everybody for joining. I think I have 1,554 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I can't see how I got 3 subscribers in 3 days, but it's nice to know that someone's watching my videos. And if you do watch my videos, watch the whole video or leave it play in the background if you don't like it, because it helps me with watch hours. I am not monetized. I don't make any money off this, and this ridiculous hobby is supported by me. And thanks to my hobby of buying bike parts, I cannot buy any illicit drugs and abuse myself. So I'm just buying Honda parts. So you want to give your kids a reason not to do drugs, give them a bike and tell them to fix it. Anyway, with that said, thanks for watching, and Honda out there, folks.